Ever wondered what drives the decision-making process in organizations, governments, and even in our daily lives? Many might not realize it, but the answer often lies in quantitative research. It's a method largely used in the social sciences, psychology, and economics, among other fields, to collect and analyze data. But what exactly is quantitative research, and why does it matter? Quantitative research, in its simplest form, is research that deals with numbers and statistics. It's the gathering of data that is quantifiable, meaning it can be turned into numbers that can be analyzed. The core purpose of this research is to quantify an opinion, behavior, or other defined variable and generalize results from a larger sample population. There are four main types of quantitative research, each with its own unique approach and purpose. The first type is descriptive research. Just as the name suggests, descriptive research aims to accurately and systematically describe a situation, problem, or phenomenon. For instance, a company might use descriptive research to gather statistical data about customer satisfaction levels. Next, we have correlational research. This type of research is used to discover or establish the existence of a relationship, association, or correlation between two or more aspects, variables, or characteristics of a phenomenon. For example, a health researcher might use correlational research to study the relationship between smoking and lung cancer. Then there's causal comparative research, also known as quasi-experimental research. This research type aims to identify cause and effect relationships by comparing subjects who are similar in all aspects except the one being tested. An example would be a study comparing the academic performance of students who have regular physical exercise and those who don't. Lastly, we have experimental research, the most scientifically rigorous method of research. This type involves manipulating one variable to determine if changes in one variable cause changes in another. A common example would be drug testing, where one group receives the drug being tested and the other receives a placebo. Now let's summarize the key points. Quantitative research is a method used to gather and analyze numerical data with the aim of understanding a particular phenomenon. It's crucial in decision-making processes across various fields. The four main types of quantitative research are descriptive, correlational, causal comparative, and experimental. Each type has its own unique approach, purpose, and examples of use. So the next time you see a statistic, a percentage, or a graph, remember the important role quantitative research plays in shaping our understanding of the world. It's not just about numbers, it's about making the world a more understandable place.